So this is a moth trap. Again, the entomologists collect moths because the moths, many of the moths they catch are actually associated with some of the caterpillar pests or worm pests that occur in cotton. So this is kind of a way for them to survey, kind of what's happening from the insect pest perspective within a cotton field or within an area. So they have these literally all over the state, and they collect them to determine when the moths are kind of migrating through, and then they do some further evaluation to determine how susceptible they are to different insecticides and things like that, or also the Bt transgenic traits. So in this field here you can see the poly pipe. These are furrow irrigated fields. This isn't near as common as it was even a decade ago. For example, the Brazos bottom here that we're in now, it nearly was extensively furrow irrigated 10 or 20 years ago, and now it's primarily center pivot irrigation with the LIPA systems that have gone in throughout much of this Brazos bottom, Little River bottom, and some of the other areas. This furrow irrigation system is very labor intensive. It can also be very inefficient when it's not done correctly. The LIPA system is basically a low pressure system. So you have the water coming out under low pressure, so you don't get as much water vapor loss from that sort of system compared to some of the old sprinkler type tips that came out. And there is some subsurface drip irrigation here on the Texas A&M Research and Extension farm. It's not common in this area just because we don't have to irrigate all that often here compared to places in West Texas. But there is a lot of subsurface drip irrigation out in West Texas where they have to obviously irrigate regularly in that area to produce a respectable crop.